The 2026 BMW XM just reminded everyone that luxury SUVs don't have to blend into the crowd. From the moment I saw it, I knew this wasn't another routine refresh. Every angle makes a statement, every detail demands attention, and there's one thing about this SUV that completely changed my first impression. Stay with me, because by the end of this review you'll know exactly whether the 2026 BMW XM deserves a place in your garage or if it's simply an attention-grabbing luxury machine. Exterior design review. Walking up to this light blue-gray 2026 BMW XM, the first thing that stands out is its bold road presence. Even parked, it has an unmistakable confidence that separates it from ordinary luxury SUVs. The sculpted body panels create strong reflections, while the wide stance gives it an athletic appearance. Looking around the vehicle, the sharp body lines flow cleanly from front to rear, creating a modern and aggressive silhouette. The black alloy wheels complement the light exterior color perfectly, adding contrast without looking excessive. Moving toward the back, the slim LED taillights give the rear a futuristic look, while the sculpted bumper and distinctive quad exhaust finish off the design with real performance character. Even with both passenger side doors open, the XM still looks like a carefully crafted luxury flagship rather than just another large SUV. This color deserves special mention. The soft light blue-gray finish changes personality depending on the lighting, giving the SUV an upscale appearance that's elegant without being flashy. But the exterior is only part of the story, wait until you step inside. Interior and features review. Opening the doors immediately reveals one of the highlights visible in this vehicle, the striking blue leather interior combined with warm brown trim accents. It's a combination that feels unique and premium the moment you see it. The front seats appear supportive with substantial side bolsters, while the overall cabin design focuses on a luxury first experience. Material quality looks impressive throughout the doors and seating surfaces, giving the interior a handcrafted feel. The rear seating area appears spacious enough for family travel or executive passengers, and the large door openings should make getting in and out much easier during everyday use. BMW also offers modern infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support on the XM, along with premium connectivity expected in this class. Everything feels driver-focused without sacrificing passenger comfort. And behind the wheel is where it all comes together. Driving experience. Picture yourself leaving downtown traffic during the morning commute. Despite its large size, the 2026 BMW XM feels composed and confident. Visibility is good for an SUV of this class, while the elevated driving position provides a commanding view of the road. Merge onto the interstate, and the XM settles into a relaxed highway rhythm. The cabin remains impressively quiet, making long-distance travel feel effortless. Highway stability inspires confidence, and the SUV feels planted even at higher cruising speeds. What surprised me most is how the XM balances luxury with athletic character. Instead of feeling oversized, it communicates confidence through its solid chassis and composed road manners. This isn't simply transportation, it's an experience that encourages you to keep driving. But here's where it gets interesting. Practicality and safety. For families, the spacious seating and large rear doors make everyday usability much easier. Weekend trips, airport runs, and long vacations should all be comfortable for passengers. For SUV enthusiasts, the bold styling and premium construction give the XM a unique personality that stands apart in the luxury segment. Daily commuters will appreciate the comfortable seating position, premium cabin environment, and modern technology available throughout the vehicle. BMW equips the XM with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including features such as blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation, and adaptive cruise control on many versions. Overall, the XM successfully blends luxury, technology, and practicality. So, is it actually worth the money? V8X promotion. Before we get to the final verdict, if you enjoy detailed luxury SUV reviews like this, make sure you hit that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments, share this review with anyone shopping for a premium luxury SUV, and don't forget to subscribe to V8X, at my V8X12 for new automotive reviews every week. Now, here's my final take. Final verdict and outro. After spending time with the 2026 BMW XM, three strengths stand out immediately. Its unmistakable exterior design, the beautifully finished premium interior, and its confident luxury SUV presence. If there's one criticism, it's that the bold styling may not appeal to buyers looking for a more understated luxury SUV. The XM is designed to stand out, and that's not everyone's preference. If you want a flagship BMW SUV with serious visual impact and a premium driving experience, the 2026 BMW XM deserves a close look. For buyers wanting something more conservative in appearance, it may feel a little too dramatic. Overall, this SUV delivers luxury, comfort, technology, and strong road presence in one impressive package. So here's my question for you. Is the 2026 BMW XM the best luxury performance SUV on the market today, or would you choose something else instead? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching V8X. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next premium automotive review.